वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ द बिजनेस क्लास एमेनिटी किट। सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू एंड मच rambling, let's get started. I have previously done a business class amenity kit before in my channel. I will leave it in the description box down below. However, the one that I'm showing right now was the kit that was given during the time of COVID. So let's go ahead and get on with it. So this is how the kit looks. You have a handle attached to it as well, so you can carry. You can reuse this pouch or bag for storing your makeup, to carry your makeup brushes, to carry your lipsticks, cosmetics. You can also give it to your husband or your brother or your father. They can use it as a shaving kit, a bag as well. So this is pretty versatile. Now let's go ahead and see what's inside it. This is what you get inside. This bag is like really cool, and here it says business class. And if you're traveling in first class, instead of business class there will be first class written on it. So right off the bat, the one that I see is your comfy socks. It looks like socks, but they're pretty much like leg warmers. So these socks are pretty cool. They're pretty long as well, so they will keep you warm throughout your flight. And this is something that I have always used and liked. The next thing that you get is your sleeping mask, or your eye mask, if you will. And next thing that you get is your headphone cushion cover. You get a pair, and you can use them as a headphone cushion cover. And these are also pretty good and pretty useful. You can go ahead and use it on your personal headphones as well. The next thing that you get is your toothbrush. Very plain and simple toothbrush with a brush cover. You also get toothpaste along with it, which is this big, and unfortunately I have used it up, so I cannot show you that. Apart from that, you also get Mint Classic to keep you extra fresh. You get earplugs because at high altitude your eardrum tends to close. So just to keep the discomfort away, they give you these earplugs, which you can always use, and they are pretty useful. Apart from that, I also got another soap or skincare, and it has 2 tubes inside of it. Cream, it smells amazing. And this is a lip balm. If you're someone who has chapped lips and all, you can certainly use this. This is pretty cool. So these are all the things that you get in the business class. I haven't traveled in first class yet, so I'm not sure what amenity kit you get in a first class. However, in business class, these are all the things that you get. Pretty much every airline provides you the same thing. So this is something that I got during the time of COVID, while I traveled from Bangalore to Hong Kong. And that's all for this video, folks. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, do not forget to hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. All my social media handle will be listed in the description box down below. So you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and also on Twitter. And I'll see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.